Hi, it's Danny. Let's do a standing stretch. You could prop up for this one. Fine on the floor. The lead leg can be on the floor just fine. Could be a lower coffee table, your chair of some sort. Please join in. Let's straighten this leg slowly. Little hip hinge there. Feel a nice, pleasant pull on the back of the leg. Stretching doesn't need to be too strong. It's more effective that it's lighter. If you overstretch a muscle, it can tighten and you get the opposite to what you want, which is longer, freer muscles. Do your best to get the knee pretty straight here. Maybe not quite all the way, but somewhat straight without locking or forcing. Easy at the foot. Perhaps one more on this side. Taking a moment in your day, a snack stretch for hamstrings. Stand and settle briefly. You may even notice, maybe feel a difference in the two sides. Let's change over. From a bent knee, hinge at the hip joint. Watch out for rounding the spine. This is more of a hamstring focus. More toning than perhaps a nerve glide or something. So neutral at pelvis, neutral through spine and ribs. Pretty straight at the knee. Easy through your breathing. Foot, relaxed position, somewhat coming up. One or two more here. Space, length, ease, awareness in the back of this leg. Okay, we'll rise up. Let's finish with a double. Take a hip hinge for both. Rest your hands down onto your lower thighs and perhaps just a few double stretches, integrating the two sides. And why not tuck the pelvis under and roll through your spine to rise up. Let's take a big stretch. Breathe in and breathe out to release. And let's maintain a nice elongated posture now and as you go about your day. Thanks for joining in with today's mini class.